Hey John, here's a recap of today's lesson. I didn't make a copy of the sheet from last time, so I'll just have to do the best to remember those strumming patterns. In fact, what I may do is just do that um, eighth note strum. That's or actually it's a 16th note strum of the third bar, and you've got the other two down. So I'll just show you that one real quick. This. Okay, we'll just do it in D. Actually, that may have been off a little bit. I think we added that one last strum there at the end, so it would sound like this. You get the idea. Next thing was the B chord to practice that. This shape right here. And when you're practicing it, make sure that you're not getting the sound. Make sure you can hear that note on the second string. That's what makes it a major chord versus a minor chord. So really important that you get that note in and practice it. Up and down the neck, just like that. Speaking of which, that chord was the George Michael's song, Faith, and that goes, shoot, let me think if I can make sure I can remember it. Something like, and remember to get that sound where it's not, I'm actually lifting up the pressure on this finger and this finger right here. So and the same goes when you see on the strum pattern those strums with the X's on them. That's that sound right there. So. And the last thing I believe we had was the C major scale, and that's right here. We're going to start on the 3rd fret. This is actually a G note, so we're actually not starting with the root of the major scale. If we were to start where it was the root, it would actually start on the 5th string right here, which is important to hear that sound because that's where the do, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And so, since it's the C major scale, that pattern, if you were to find it a different place in the neck, you wouldn't call it by this string on the 6th string. So, that shape, here it is shift. And remember, the way to practice it is not do it over and over again in that one position, but move it around. So down here, we'll take it right here, C, C sharp, D. Now we're in the key of D, moving it down 2 frets. Move it down 3 frets right here. Now we're actually, you got to find this note right here, which is what the name of the scale is. This is actually an F note. So now we're in the key of F on the 8th fret with the middle finger. And see, if I were to play an F chord, you can hear how that sound goes with it. Same up here with the C chord. Now think that was about all we covered today. Should give you enough to practice. Anyways, have a good week. Look forward to seeing you soon, buddy.